Hello guys, welcome to DennisTechTips. In this video, I am going to show you how to link your Android phone to your PC. By doing this, you'll be able to make and receive calls, send and reply messages, view notifications and view recent photos on your PC. To do this, first you are going to need to download an app called Microsoft Phone Link on both your PC and mobile phone. To download Microsoft Phone Link on your PC, head over to Microsoft Store. The link is in the description of this video. Search for Phone Link and there you find the app. Click on the Get button to kick off your download. When the download is done, launch the app. To download Phone Link on your mobile phone, head over to your Play Store and then search for Link to Windows. When the app pops up, click on the Install button to kick off your download. But if you already have the app on your phone before, click on the Open button to launch. When the app is launched on both devices, hit on the Get Started button on your PC and follow the instructions carefully. You are going to need to sign into the app on both devices with your Microsoft account details. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. After signing in, you can go ahead and start the pairing or linking of both devices. If you have the Link to Windows app launched on your phone already, make sure that this I have the Link to Windows app ready is checked. Then you can click on the Pair with QR code button to link your phone to the PC with a QR code. Or you can hit on the Pair Manually button to pair them manually, which I am going to do, and then hit on the Create PIN code button. While the PIN is being generated, head over to your phone and hit on the Settings button, Linked Computers, and click on Add Computer. Hit on the Continue button down here. And right here is where you will input the PIN generated on your PC. So I'm going to do that right now. Click on Done. And right here it says that my phone and PC are linked. And right here on my PC it says that I am all set and my devices are linked. So I'm going to click on Continue. So that is it for this video, guys. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like. And subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.